Welcome to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you change your Instagram password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram app and click to this More option into the bottom left corner. After clicking there, just go to your settings. Step 2. Go to the account center of Meta. Now after coming to settings, you just simply have to enter to your account center. Step 3. Choose password and security. Now after coming to the account center of Meta, you have to select this password and security button and click to the change password option here. Step 4. Change the password. Now after clicking to the change password option, just simply select your account and enter your current password into the box given here and enter the new password into the second box and simply retype the same password into the last box. After completing this process, just simply click into this change password button. After doing this, you have successfully changed your Instagram password. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.